After we're done detailing the taper, we moved down to the neckline and we started off at the bottom and worked our way to the top arch. You want to be very careful near this area because the skin is very tender and thin. Moving on to the side taper, we're making our first guideline at a curve, and then we're gonna bald them out and shave his sideburns. Now that we're done balding them out, you want to follow that same shape with the no guard all the way open and continue to use the lever to blend. Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline, we can move on to the one guard all the way open and create our third guideline. Now that we're done with our one guard, we can move on to our half guard and erase the line completely. Here I'm switching over to the 3 guard all the way open and we're continuing to debulk the sides. Now that we're done with our side taper, we can move on to our gold FX and continue to line up the C-cup. I always start my way off at the bottom and work my way to the top arch. Slowly make sure the hair feeds into the clipper, because if you don't, the hair won't be cut. Okay, now before we line him up, we're going to pin up his hair and debulk with the 1.5 guard all the way open. Once we're done debulking, we're starting off in the middle with our gold FX and working our way to the sides. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe is greatly appreciated. Also, if you made it this far into the video, please leave a comment down below. I'm definitely gonna reply. Here I'm using a razor comb to blend in the side a little bit smoother. Here we're moving on to our Turkish razor and Derby Premium blades, and we're going to make him as crispy as possible. Make sure you use shave gel. Also make sure you stretch the skin with your opposite hand so that you don't cut them, and then also make sure you keep the blade at a 45-degree angle.